Around the world, 30 million tendon injuries will be treated through surgery, with a quarter of them being reworked over time, due to the surgery technique, which is old, outdated, high risk and very slow to recover from. Unfortunately, advances in tissue repair technology have not succeeded in replacing suture loops on tendons, generating the same risks of damage. They also add additional materials and tools that will require more open body space to work, making surgery more tedious and complicated due to the outdated suturing technique. But what if there was a better way? Introducing Zipe, an innovative technology that uses an advanced method of bioresorbable buttons, which increase the contact surface, eliminating the risks and precision surgery caused by suture ripping through. The innovative Zipe technology allows the tension force to be distributed evenly on the bioresorbable button, for optimal recovery of the tendon in its original position, in the shortest possible time. Zipe technology, through an agile and simple method, allows the surgeon to increase the reliability and reputation of their surgeries by 99.8%. For your safety, Zipe is a reliable product, made in ISO 13485 certified operations, and authorized by FDA and COFEPRIS for free distribution and sale. This revolutionary technology, free of surgical knots, has a performance far superior to traditional suture. Thanks to the results of its biocompatibility tests, mechanical tests, innovation awards, international patents, authorized for human use, has zero complaints in more than 400 surgeries, allows a fast recovery and is clinically stronger. Offering many competitive advantages in tendon repair, keeping it in place, without damage, comfortably, safely and adapting to all the needs of the surgeon.
Hello everybody, Pete Mangone here, coming to you from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I just wanted to share my thoughts on the Ziptek Zipe device. In my opinion, the Ziptek Zipe is the future of soft tissue fixation. In my career, I've found the best medical devices on the market use the simplest common sense ideas. The Ziptek Zipe is just that. I've been using the Zipe device now for the last 4 years and have had excellent clinical results. Examination of the basic science data shows better soft tissue healing compared to traditional suture knot fixation. The Zipe takes advantage of the body's natural healing process, and in doing so allows the gradual transition of the forces from the Zipe device to the native soft tissues. This avoids stress shielding the soft tissue repair site and promotes better soft tissue healing. With Ziptek's exciting new technology, I can see it accelerating to soon being the standard for soft tissue repair throughout the body. In my opinion, the Ziptek Zipe device should be the standard intraoperative device for anybody who's performing orthopedic soft tissue repair and reconstructive procedures. Thank you.